Yeah. Yeah, you will. What you doing immediately? Look at me. I'm looking. It's really the most amazing sign ever. What's this patient? Is it hiding behind the bird? It is the bird. Isn't it nature amazing? It's just a bird, bro. Nah, no. You see? You got to see us. No, it's not amazing. Huh. Why do I keep looking black? I don't get it. I don't get it. What's inside of me? I'm supposed to be a real Santa, not a deep Santa. But I'm starting to walk. Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, walking. I will. I would not intend to sing for me. I'm trying to walk. To sing, right? Santa, what are you doing? Oh, hello there, teddy bear. I'm just right now here. I can walk. What about you? Just got a bird and you see, Velvet don't really like it. Anyway, I think the bird likes you. And it'll be, look at it. See? I don't believe it. How did you do that? That's amazing, man. Yeah, I know, I understand. It is. But wait, if it's the bird's hatch, how do you know the bird came from there? Just really find out about it. It must be a Dempsey. Come on, man, let's go. So, you think you're hardcore. So you're gonna crack. I'm so lonely right now.